In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to swap FigJam Stickies. We'll walk through opening your board, adding and customizing sticky notes, connecting them, and finally swapping their positions so your ideas stay organized as they evolve. Start by opening FigJam and heading to the Recents view. This is the quickest way to find the file you were just working on. Click the board you want to edit to open it. Once you're in, click the title area at the top where it might say Untitled. This is a good moment to name your board so it's easy to find later, especially if you're collaborating with others or creating multiple versions. Next, add a sticky note. In the toolbar, select Sticky Notes, then drag a sticky onto your canvas. Place it where you want your first idea or task to live. If you change your mind about the position, don't worry, you can always move it later. Make the sticky clear and readable by customizing it. Use the controls to change the color, font, and size. Choose colors to group related ideas, increase font size for main points, and keep contrast high for accessibility. If you're sharing the board, consistent formatting helps teammates scan content quickly. You can freely move any sticky by clicking and dragging it. For cleaner layouts, try dragging while holding Shift to keep movement straight, or use the arrow keys for precise nudges. Zoom in to fine-tune placement, and hold space to pan around the board without accidentally selecting anything. To add more stickies quickly, click the small plus sign that appears near a selected sticky. This duplicates the flow you're in so you can keep capturing ideas without breaking your rhythm. If you want to show relationships, drag that plus sign toward another sticky to create a connector. You'll see a line appear, which makes brainstorming maps and workflows easier to follow. Now for the swap. When you want two stickies to trade places, click and drag one sticky directly toward the other. As you hover over it, look for the placement preview to appear. Release your mouse and the two stickies will swap positions while keeping the rest of your layout intact. This is especially handy when prioritizing tasks or reorganizing clusters without redrawing connections. That's it. Open your board, add and style your stickies, connect related thoughts, and swap positions to keep everything tidy. Pause and try each action as you go, and soon you'll be rearranging FigJam Stickies like a pro.